Ronnie, what if mag-resign ka na lang? I mean, if you need a letter of recommendation, a referral in your next job, I'll be more than happy to do it. Just for your own peace of mind.
No, this is still my job. I earned this place well. Personal is personal.
Ronnie, I already filed a protection order.
Yes. Yung barangay level? Insulting. Don't mistake the barangay protection order for total control, Wilfred. It only bars me from Lorena and your house, not from earning my living. Unless you want to file another motion, I suggest you get used to seeing me here. And unless, kung may legal kang basehan to kick me out of Pearl Vault, you know, HR-related labor code violation, then kung wala, I'll be at my desk.